Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore something truly spectacular. China is on a roll with its mind-boggling mega projects that are taking innovation to a whole new level. Imagine scientific advancements that aren't just baby steps but giant leaps. Today, we're delving into these incredible ventures that are redefining what's possible. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover China's most daring projects that will leave you utterly speechless. Stick with us for an eye-opening journey through these extraordinary feats. Let's take a look at Bailhetan Hydropower Plant, the awe-inspiring Bailhetan Hydropower Plant, a colossal dam towering taller than most skyscrapers. Back in 2017, China embarked on a groundbreaking endeavor, the construction of one of the largest hydropower projects in history, the Bailhetan Hydropower Plant. In just 5 years, China built a mammoth concrete barrier across the Yangtze River, standing at a staggering 289 meters, 948 feet, high, surpassing the height of many iconic skyscrapers. This powerhouse isn't just about height, it packs a punch with 16 domestically produced power units, each boasting a capacity of 1 million kilowatts. The price tag for this hydroelectric complex, a whopping estimated $26 billion. Impressively, the Bailhetan hydropower reservoir can contain a staggering 20,627 cubic kilometers of water. Imagine a small artificial sea. But that's not all. The Yangtze River boasts a lineup of 6 large hydroelectric power plants, including Yudong, Bailhetan, Kodu, Shanji, Aba, Sanyua, and Daba. Together, these power stations, operated by the Three Gorges Corporation, churn out a mind-boggling 300 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity annually, slashing coal consumption by a whopping 90 million tons and cutting carbon dioxide emissions by 248 million tons. These powerhouses not only generate electricity but also play crucial roles in flood control, navigation, water management, and environmental security in the Yangtze River Basin, forming an impressive 1,800-kilometer, 1,120-mile, clean energy corridor. It's incredible how they're paving the way for sustainable energy while safeguarding the environment. Let's explore the Mammoth Viaduct, infrastructure marvel, the world's largest structure of its kind, the viaduct, a critical part of the freight rail route officially named Fan Railway Bridge Manja. This colossal railway bridge spans an astonishing length of almost 2,000 kilometers, about 1,250 miles, linking central and southwest western China with Inner Mongolia. Get this, the viaduct comprises a mind-blowing 216 piers, with the tallest one soaring up to 74 meters, 242 feet, high. The entire structure stretches across nearly 8,000 meters, 26,000 feet, and its foundation plunges an astounding 91 meters, 298 feet, deep. But what's the purpose of this colossal feat? It's all about transportation, primarily for coal to the region. This railway line handles trains weighing up to a jaw-dropping 20,000 tons, aiming for a staggering cargo turnover of 200 million tons per year. Imagine the scale of movement facilitated by this incredible infrastructure. Let's dive into a construction marvel that redefined history, the Three Gorges Hydroelectric Power Station in Hubei Province, a project unlike any other in the world. Imagine this, a dam weighing a mind-boggling 65.5 million tons. Construction stretched across a staggering 18 years, making it the heaviest project ever undertaken on our planet. This colossal dam finds its home on the Yangtze River, China's mightiest waterway. Born from the aftermath of a devastating flood in 1991 that caused $30 billion in damages, the decision was made to build a solution. And what a solution it became! The project's cost, inclusive of resettling over 1 million people, matched the scale of the destruction, amounting to a monumental sum. Now, get this, the dam houses 32 power units, 6 of which are nestled underground, generating a staggering 100 terawatt-hours of power. To put that into perspective, a thermal power plant would need to burn a staggering 50 million tons of coal to match that output. But here's the beauty in its simplicity. The Three Gorges Hydroelectric Power Plant, despite its grandeur, boasts a straightforward design, a typical gravity concrete dam with a surface spillway. The stats: a whopping 27.2 million cubic meters of concrete and over 450 ANZ tons of steel went into crafting this 185-meter, 66-foot, high and 2.3-kilometer, 1.4-mile, long structure. Here's a jaw-dropping comparison. It took a mind-blowing 85 times less concrete and 7.5 times less steel to build the world's tallest skyscraper, the Burj Khalifa, standing at 828 meters, 2,716 feet. That's the scale we're talking about. The Three Gorges stands as a testament to human ingenuity, engineering prowess, and the sheer awe-inspiring scale of monumental projects. The tunnel. Prepare to be astounded by the Taihu Tunnel, an engineering masterpiece that's nothing short of a marvel. In just 4 years, and with an investment of tens of billions of dollars, Chinese engineers accomplished the impossible. They penetrated Taihu Lake, creating the longest and widest underwater tunnel in China. This remarkable tunnel allows you to traverse Tai Lake in a mere 8 minutes. Unlike conventional bridges that might mar the scenic beauty, China opted for the underground express route, stretching almost 11 kilometers. This tunnel feels like a well-kept secret highway and stands as one of the longest tunnels in the world. Say goodbye to traffic congestion. China's got a tunnel solution. While the Bailhetan Bridge concerns itself with weather conditions, this underwater tunnel remains as calm as a cucumber. With one potential pitfall: drivers zoning out on such a straight road. To keep them entertained, thousands of LED lights line the way, turning the journey into a dazzling light show like a disco party for drivers, minus the dance floor. Now, building underground tunnels can be quite the challenge. The Channel Tunnel between France and England chose the dig below the waterbed approach. However, for the Taihu Tunnel, they decided to pump out the water using coffer dams, creating a dry construction site. To maintain secrecy, ventilation shafts were cleverly disguised across the lake. One looks like a hidden island, another resembles a conch-shaped statue, and there's even one pretending to be an ancient boat. It's like playing an intense game of hide and seek with engineering secrets. While the Taihu Tunnel is impressive, it's not the longest road tunnel in the world. That title belongs to the Bailhetan Tunnel in Norway. But hold on to your hard hats, because China has its sights set on shattering records. They're planning an astonishing 105.25 kilometers railway tunnel between Yantai and Dalian that will make other tunnels look like mere molehills. This is all part of China's quiet revolution in high-speed rail. They're like the superheroes of transportation. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an underwater adventure. Join China on their journey of engineering awesomeness. From dazzling lights to hidden ventilation, they're turning tunnels into captivating works of art that will leave you in absolute awe. Let's step into the world of architectural wonders in China. While concrete and steel might be the usual tools for builders, the Guangzhou Opera House breaks the mold. Designed by the renowned architect Zaha Hadid, this colossal masterpiece is a testament to creativity. Imagine this: 70,000 square meters of space meticulously divided into captivating triangular rooms, hosting a grand total of 1,800 seats. What's more fascinating is how nature inspired every angle and curve of this architectural gem. Hadid drew inspiration from nature's artwork: canyons, rivers, gorges, boulders, and mountain slopes to craft a structure that mirrors the natural stones scattered along the Pearl River banks. The price tag for this architectural marvel? A cool $200 million. But why stop at just one grand structure? In Harbin, another stunning opera house emerged, echoing the beauty of natural landscapes. This 79,000 square meter architectural wonder, resembling a sinusoid with its convex concave design made of white aluminum panels, sits on a marshy island. This island is connected to the city by a road bridge, creating a seamless blend between architecture and the surrounding nature. Picture a low white wall merging with snowdrifts in winter, enhancing the opera house's connection to its environment. These opera houses aren't just magnificent structures, they're cultural hubs serving as venues for performances and public platforms for the art of theater. They're not just buildings, they're immersive experiences, merging architecture with the beauty of the natural Shanghai Tower. Get ready to be amazed by the crown jewel of the Shanghai skyline, the Shanghai Tower. Imagine this, a mind-boggling 632 meters high, costing a whopping $4.2 billion when it was finished in 2015. It proudly stood as China's tallest and the world's third tallest building. But it's not just about height. This tower is a symbol of China's economic might. Its twisty spiral design is made from stacking 9 giant cylinders on top of each other, creating a whopping 138 stories of awesomeness. What's really cool, the outside isn't just glass. It's like a superhero shield. Imagine clear glass on the outside and super strong hole-covered metal on the inside. This dynamic duo keeps the inside cozy and controls how much sunlight sneaks in, all while saving energy like a champ. Speaking of energy, the Shanghai Tower isn't just tall, it's green too. It's a champ at using less energy, which means it's kinder to our planet. It even got a super fancy platinum certification for being top-notch in energy and eco-friendliness. Step inside, and you're in for a treat. It's not just an office building, it's a whole world inside. Picture this, shopping, entertainment, and business all mixed up like a gigantic urban playground. And guess what? If you're feeling daring, zoom up to the tippity top. The view from the observation deck is out of this world. And getting there is a thrill too. Imagine elevators racing up at speeds that make your heart skip a beat. So whether you're into cool designs, mind-blowing heights, or just good old fun, the Shanghai Tower has it all. It's not just a building, it's a glimpse into the future of architecture and a reminder that the sky's the limit when it comes to human imagination. Giant mountains. Prepare to be amazed. Chinese builders have taken on an epic challenge, reshaping landscapes with their sheer determination. Instead of waiting for nature's slow dance, they've rolled up their sleeves to level mountains, literally. With China facing a shortage of livable spaces, local authorities have embarked on a monumental project, flattening mountains to create vast areas for human settlement. How? By using soil and rocks from the mountains to fill valleys, expanding cities by hundreds of square kilometers of flat terrain. But get this, the Lunu area is gearing up for an even more jaw-dropping feat. They're about to kickstart a colossal mining project, flattening another 700 hills in what could be the largest mountain-moving extravaganza ever seen. A mind-blowing $2.5 billion will be invested in this groundbreaking endeavor to create space for a brand new metropolis. The hope is that this new city could boost the region's GDP by a staggering $27 billion by 2030. Which project has you hooked? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the Top Visionary channel.